All right. It's time for the Dick Jenkins Show. Tonight on Dick, it's the Man of Steel, Superman. So let's get to it. Live from his mother's basement, it's the man, Dick Jenkins. Get it.
Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. People on YouTube, Facebook, hello. I want to thank you, Leroy Jenkins, my half-brother from another mother, Leroy Jenkins, and as always, my announcer on these shows. Very special guest today. All the way from Metropolis, we've got the one and only Superman, everybody. Superman.
Yeah, it's good to be here, Dick Jenkins. Been busy, saving the world and stuff like that.
Superman, I think you forgot to take something off.
What do you mean? What? Oh, shit. I knew this was going to happen someday. I'd get busy, saving the world and everything, and forgot and left my damn glasses on, so guess what? Cat's out of the bag. Yeah, I am Clark Kent. Woohoo! Big deal. Glasses. Ooh, secret identities. Way to go, Dick Jenkins. Way to go. Yes, that's right. Clark Kent, Superman. Ooh, big deal. Is there anything else I can help you with? All right, I'm out. That's all.
Okay, folks. Well, you heard it here first. Clark Kent of the Metropolis paper there, the Daily Planet, is Superman. Who would have ever thought? A pair of glasses. I mean, heck, maybe if I take these glasses off, I look a lot like Leroy Jenkins. I don't know. Maybe that's my alter ego. Who knows? We're going to go ahead and end the show. Well, thank you for tuning in. Who knew a pair of glasses? So we'll see you then, folks. Tune in next week. Another exciting episode of the Dick Jenkins Show. We'll see you then there, folks. Goodbye.
Yeah, Dick, go ahead, go. I'll clean up around here. Is this on?
Yeah. Testing 1, 2. This is on. Alright, I want to sing a little song. Goes like this. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my pork stick, so ride it, baby. Yeah, I like that. Check it out. Get it.